Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Sufa Intellectual School. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Kishwar and I will teach you maths. I hope you will enjoy learning maths with me. Before we start our lecture, we have to recite dua. So repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. रब्बी शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्ताईन या फ़त्ताहु या फ़त्ताहु या फ़त्ताह। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। आमीन। Grade 3, open your maths book. Today we are going to continue our first unit number 1, and the unit name is whole numbers. We have already learned in this unit about numbers and place values of 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers. And we have also learned about comparing and ordering numbers and before, between and after concept. Now we are going to learn about predecessor and successor. In this topic we will discuss that what is meant by predecessor, what is meant by successor, how to find predecessor of a number and how to find successor of a number. Here you can see definition of predecessor and successor. Pre means before and succeed means after. So predecessor means a number that comes just before of given number, and successor means a number that comes just after of given number. For example, predecessor means a number that comes just before of given number. For example, 25 is a given number. What is the predecessor of 25? Can anyone tell that what comes before 25? What comes before 25? Yes, 24. 24 comes before 25. So 24 is a predecessor of 25. Now succeed means after and successor means a number that comes just after of given number. For example, 92 is a given number. Can you tell me what comes after 92? Yes, 93 comes after 92. So here 93 is the successor of 92. Okay, let's see how we can find predecessor of a number and successor of a number. First we have to find predecessor. We can find predecessor of a particular number by subtracting 1 from the given number. For example, here we have given 875. 875 is a given number. When we are finding predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. 875 minus 1 is equal to 874. So 874 is the predecessor of 875. 875. प्रीडिसेसर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम गिवन नंबर में से -1 करते हैं तो हमारे पास प्रीडिसेसर फाइंड आउट होता है। ठीक है, गिवन नंबर में से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो प्रीडिसेसर हमारे पास आ जाएगा। नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड सक्सेसर ऑफ अ नंबर। We can find successor of a particular number by adding 1 to the given number. For example, here we have 1007 is a given number. We have given 1007. When we add 1 to 1007, we will get 1008. 1007 plus 1 is equal to 1008. So we will get 1008, and 1008 is the successor of 1007. 1008 सक्सेसर है 1007 का। प्रीडिसेसर में हम गिवन नंबर में से माइनस करते हैं 1 को तो हमारे पास प्रीडिसेसर आता है, और सक्सेसर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम गिवन नंबर में 1 ऐड करते हैं तो हमारे पास सक्सेसर फाइंड आउट होता है। ठीक है, लेट्स वॉच अ वीडियो टू बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ predecessor and successor.
Predecessor and successor. Look at the number 423. Now, can you write the number just before the number 423? Yes, we can write by subtracting 1 from the number 423. That is, 423 minus 1 is equal to 422. Now, can you write the numbers just after 423? Yes, we can write by adding 1 with the number 423. That is, 423 plus 1 is equal to 424. So, in the numbers 422, 423, 424, 422 is the predecessor of 423 and the number 424 is the successor of 423. So the predecessor is the number that comes just before the number that is 1 less than the number, and the successor of a number is the number that comes just after the number that is 1 more than number. Look at some more examples. Let us take a number 7422. Predecessor of 7422 is equal to 7422 minus 1 or 7421, and successor of 7422 is equal to 7422 plus 1 or 7423.
Successor and predecessor. In this module, you will learn about successor and predecessor of a number. Successor refers to something that comes after. Here, successor of apple is orange. Predecessor refers to something that comes before. Here, the predecessor of orange is apple. If we add 1 to a number, we get the next number, called its successor. The successor of 50 is 51. If we subtract 1 from a number, we get the previous number, called its predecessor. Therefore, predecessor of 50 is 49. In this module, you have learned the successor of a given number is one more than the given number. The predecessor of a given number is one less than the given number.
I hope you like the videos. In these videos, we have learned that what is predecessor and what is successor, and how to find predecessor of a number and successor of a number. Here we have your book page and we have an example. We have a given number 1004. What is the predecessor of 1004? 1003 is a predecessor of 1004 and 1005 is a successor of 1004. Now we have a question. Write the predecessors and successors of the given numbers. Here we have numbers and we have to write their predecessors and successors. First one we have 1263. When we subtract 1 from 1263, we will get 1262, which is the predecessor of this number. And when we add one more to this number, 1262 plus 1 is equal to 1264, which is the successor of this number. Now moving to the next one, 65,899. When we subtract 1 from 65,899, we will get 65,898, which is the predecessor of 65,899. And when we add 1 to this number, we will get 65,900, which is the successor of 65,899. Now we have 100,000 and 100. When we subtract 100,000 and 100, minus 1 is equal to 100,000 and 99, which is the predecessor of 100,000 and 100. And when we add one more to this number, we will get 100,000 and 101, which is the successor of this number. Now we have 59,023. When we subtract 1 from 59,000 and 23, we will get 59,022, which is the predecessor of this number. And when we add 1 to 59,023, we will get 59,024, which is the successor of this number. Then we have 324,555. When we subtract 1 from 324,555 minus 1, we will get 324,554, which is the predecessor of this number. And when we add 1 to 324,555 plus 1, we will get 324,556, which is the successor of this number. Now moving to the next one. Here you have numbers and you have to write the predecessors and successor of the following numbers. You have a number 6,532. Then you have a number 3,021. Then you have a number 1,111. Then you have a number 767. Then you have a number 1590. You have to write the predecessors of these numbers and successors of these numbers. This is the practice work for you. Now moving to the next one. This is your homework. You have to do this question on your notebook and book as well. And solution will be provided on WhatsApp number, on WhatsApp group. Allah Hafiz. Take care.